The cap assembly connects the spark plug wire to the spark plug. The cap threads onto the plug wire and has a rubber boot to seal the wire. The other end presses onto the spark plug. The cap can be cracked due to extreme heat or something hitting it. Replacing the cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the cap from the spark plug. Then I'll pull the rubber boot on the ignition wire back. And now I just unthread the cap from the wire. And I'll remove the boot because the new cap comes with one. Here's our new cap. First I'll remove the boot and place it over the wire. Now I thread the cap onto the ignition wire. And I'll slide the boot over the cap to seal it. Now it's just a matter of reinstalling the cap onto the spark plug. And that's all it takes to install a new cap assembly on your engine.